Hi everyone, welcome to Glitch Guru. In today's video, we'll show you how to put apps on your Windows desktop. First, let's see how you can add the default apps, such as this PC, Recycle Bin, Control Panel, and more. To do this, first right-click anywhere on an empty spot on your desktop. Now, select Personalize from the resulting menu. In the Settings app that opens, scroll down and select Themes. Then, scroll again, and click on Desktop Icon Settings. Under Desktop Icons, tick the checkboxes to add Computer, Recycle Bin, Control Panel, depending on what icons you want to see, and then hit Apply. Once you do, your selected icons should appear on the desktop. Now, if you want to add apps that you've downloaded from the Microsoft Store, open the Start menu. Here, click on this All button to view all your apps. Now, find the app you want to add to the desktop. Then, simply drag and drop the app to add it to your desktop. You can repeat these steps to add as many apps as you like. Lastly, if you don't see your app on this list, find its shortcut in File Explorer. Right-click on it, and select Show More Options. Now, go to Center and then select Desktop Create Shortcut option. Once you do this, the shortcut should appear on the desktop. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe.